during the first date? That's what you talk about? Okay. And then Anna?
Movies and books.
Yeah, I remember you love it. And then Ara, you talk about
I can talk about the greatness of my grandma.
your what?
The greatness of my grandma.
Your grandmother.
Yeah.
And then Vincent, what is your topic?
Things are changing.
What?
Things are changing.
What do you mean things are changing? Better prepare. This is not gonna be me. It's gonna be Kyle. All right. All right, guys. Thank you so much. You guys are dismissed. Sorry, I told you I'm gonna let you earlier, but it ended up it's 4:10. So yeah, you guys can go home. Thank you so much, guys. You take care. Be safe. I'll see you on the graduation. And yeah, if you can pick up the name of your batch and any production number performance. March 5, if I'm not mistaken. March 5. So you only have 3 weeks, 4 weeks.
Sir, I'm not here March 5. It is alright.
But I'm not sure if it's the date, you know. But ask Jai downstairs. She might know. I don't know yet. But yeah, I think it's probably March 5. Normally we do it 12 to 3. Yep, lunchtime. Yeah, 3 o'clock tayo na mag-billiards and mag-video game.
Wala akong date.
But I'm not sure. Ask Jai when you go downstairs. Alright. So, and then what we did with our batch, we're all wearing, nung graduation, we're all wearing black. Para identify kami from the morning class. Identify kami from, kasi afternoon class ako yung my workshop. So, yung morning yata, nakisama sa amin na black na rin yung sunod nila. Yeah. Pero hindi ko alam if you guys are gonna, I mean, a yellow, green t-shirt, para lang, ay, ito yung morning class, ito yung 6 to 9 class. So it's up to you guys. So, yeah, laluin nyo na yung, evening nyo during graduation. And I'll see you there. If you have any questions, should I give you my number? Or you can just call the office. Alright, so... Yes, of course. And any updates, it's gonna be on the website. And wala si Mina, no?
Wala ko.
She did a group yata, Batch 1 Speechworks group dun sa Facebook. So I think that...
Sir, pero saan po ako nagtanong?
ano? 239-6468. Office. You can call the office. Yes! Why?
Hindi ko naman tayo tatanong pa natin
Sana nga. Huwag sana i-confirm yun. No.
Niyo.
Asa na yan? Okay.
Ayun po, sir.
Asa na? Alright, so yeah, there's gonna be food and drinks and a lot of singing during the graduation. So I'll see you there, guys. Thank you. Be safe.
Maragan.
Kasi isa sa ako raw, hindi ko pansara.
Sir, thank you po. Sabi ko na eh. Sir, pag-uwi ako masagasakit yun eh. No. First time po ulit ako ng graduation. Tapos pagdating ako pa. Sana ba na mga March 6? Kaya mga March 7. Mga March 7.
Sabi ko, isa mo nila, sir.
Thanks, everybody. I'll see you guys.